Dear learners, it gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you to this SWAYAM course on business statistics. In today's rapidly changing world, data has become an integral part of decision making. Whether in business, research, public administration, healthcare, or our daily lives, the ability to understand and interpret data is an essential skill. Business statistics provides the tools and techniques required to transform data into meaningful information and make informed decisions. This course has been carefully designed to make statistical concepts simple, practical, and easy to understand. You will learn about data collection, presentation, analysis, interpretation, and various statistical methods through practical examples and applications. Whether you are a student, researcher, entrepreneur, administrator, or an aspiring professional, this course will help you strengthen your analytical, problem solving, and decision making abilities. I warmly invite you to join this course on business statistics available on SWAYAM portal. I wish you a happy learning. Namaste.